Hello everyone. Okay, so welcome back to my course Web3 Hacking with Python. In this sessions, we are going to do a little bit advanced, not advanced, a little bit more detailed and specific to monitoring the network stuff. So first, in the previous video, what we do in this, we are using the mainnet and find out all the network and all transaction stuff, pending, approve, and everything stuff. But in here, I'm going to use a Uniswap router address here, and I'm going to monitor the out traffic from there. So you can monitor any specific routers or token or everything stuff using this method. So just copy this address here and let's write the code. So it's like everything in the previous video. I'm going to show you explain everything stuff, but in here is just a little bit update here. So what I'm going to add is here is a transaction filter to Uniswap router. So they are going to check all either second and specifically Uniswap router. So they find out the Uniswap router and try to print the pending record from there. So I just add the two line here if condition. So the first thing is transaction 2, and we use the web3 to check some address. Check some address is a little bit uh more detailed, and they help to not go in other addresses, so they just make it clear that I only one from this Uniswap router address. So I just put it the Uniswap router address, and I'm going to print in the handler like the previous one, transaction hash, and this is the same from the previous one. So I'm not going to show you, or I'm not going to run the code here. It's a homework for you, so you guys just write the code. I already code pasted in the my slides. So it's all code, then just put it the user router address and try to run and monitoring from the pending request of it, or otherwise you can use any other token or address and check it out and run it. If you find any problems or if you success or not, you just give me the reply to it from the student section. So you just give me the result of it. So this is a homework for you. It's the first homework from the course. Okay, you did it, and take a rest. See you next video.